Hey, what's up guys? Magician Jason Fun here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell so you can see all the videos I'm posting. I've been posting some videos of magic tricks and some other fun things, some reviews and stuff like that. And like today we're going to do an unboxing. That's right, we're going to do an unboxing of a magic kit, but not a standard magic kit. This is actually from the post office. What? The post office. That's right, back in 2018, so we're filming this right now, December, the last week of December of 2020. And in 2018, the post office released some magic stamps and a magic set. And this was released at Magic Live, which is a magic convention held in Las Vegas every year, except for this year for obvious reasons. But it's a magic convention that I absolutely love. If you guys check out Magic Live in Vegas, if you're a magician, that's a place you definitely want to go to. So back in 2018, the Postmaster General came to Magic Live and David Copperfield, and they unveiled these new magic stamps. And the post office still has the magic stamps and the magic set available right now. So they cost the same as Forever stamps. Check this out. So I ordered a whole bunch of these stamps. They come in packs of 3 right there, and I ordered a whole bunch of them, and as you can see, that has a hologram effect to it. Let me see, there you go, a rabbit going in and out of the top hat. So I just ordered a whole bunch of those stamps that I'm going to be using because they're awesome. And this Art of Magic set. Check that out. The Art of Magic. Now, this was put together by the United States Postal Service together with Mac King. Those of you that are familiar with magic definitely know Mac King, who is a Las Vegas magician. And this is sealed. Still has the plastic wrap. So we're going to open it right now and check out what's inside. I'm so excited. Let's take a look here. Inside we have... Okay, got the wrapper I just took off, and okay, so this is just the back kind of ad of what this is. But I set that down, and ooh, I thought I was gonna have to open the box, but check this out. It has a slide box. Oh, and it stays stuck right there, which is pretty cool. Oh, I already see what this is. This is actually a magic trick box where you can make things vanish and appear. So, for example, inside we have, that's way cool, a deck of cards. Look at that. And the back of the deck of cards, let me scoot in a little bit closer. Check that out. I love it. It says The Art of Magic, and it has a cool dove with like an eyeball on there. And the rabbit in the hat, just like on the stamps. Yep, just like on the stamps right there. See, it's going up and down. Ooh. Okay, cool. So let's check out what else. So this is a little, a little sleeve, just a little sleeve of some sort. But from the sleeve, we got these. Oh, it looks like we got the whole set of stamps. So it comes with these things. I think these are holders for the stamps. I'm guessing. So you can put the stamps inside. But, so we got all the whole set, it looks like, of stamps, of the magic stamps. So there is a bird cage, which is cool. And we have a dove right there, pretty cool. Let's see, we have, check that out, a lady, floating lady. Yeah, I think these are real stamps. It says Forever USA on them. So yeah, these are real stamps, guys. We have the rabbit in the hat. That's the normal one, not the holographic one like the other one. And a mind reader. Ooh, it's cool. We got the whole set. And like, yeah, I think these are little protectors for the stamps. Let's take a look. I think we just put it inside like this. And Yep, I'm pretty sure that's a protector for the stamp to protect them. So I'll put those inside of there after the video. And let's see, inside we also have a book. Check that out. A book. It says The Art of Magic up top, and it has that logo from the post office. And it says Magician's Guide, 5 Tricks by Mac King. Mac King, he's the one that I told you about from Las Vegas. So yeah, check that out. So this is I guess like a little magic book. That's way cool. So there's a card trick for aces that teaches you a prediction trick, which is cool. We have what else? Levitating lady. I'm guessing that's a magic trick. Oh, it teaches you how to levitate a card, so that's kind of cool. Gone gal is the name of that trick right there. And karate card is another trick. And let's see, those are just the instructions. And there it says about the stamps. And so that's pretty cool. And we got a cool magic box here. Yeah. So let's check this out. I'm going to go ahead and open the box, and we're going to put, let's see, the deck of cards. We're going to put the deck of cards right inside like that, okay? Now watch this. We're going to close the box like this. Wave my hand, say abracadabra. When I open it, it's gone. It vanished. You guys see that? It's gone. Now let's bring it back. Let's bring it back, okay? We're going to go ahead and close it like this. Say abracadabra. And when we open it back up, there it is. There's the deck of cards. So right away, this is so cool. The box itself is a magic trick. So we have the box that's a magic trick, 5 card tricks that you can do, and a deck of cards, and you got the full set of stamps, which is awesome. And yeah, it looks like that's what you get. That's what it says right back there. And awesome, guys. You know what? I really, really like this. I think this was like $35 from the post office, and yeah, they're still available, guys. So if you go to USPS.com, so that's the post office website, and in the search bar type in magic, and the holographic magic stamps will come up. I don't know how many of these they have left, guys, but they're forever stamps, so they'll be good, forever, even if the price of stamps go up. And like I said, they released this 2 years ago. And so I don't know how many of these they have left, but they still have them. And these little magic kits as well. So pretty good buy. I actually really like it. And kind of a little collector's item, I would say. I don't know if I should open these cards or not. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Should I open this deck of cards, or should I keep it closed and sealed? Because like I said, this is going to be a collector's item, or probably, is a collector item now. So let me know in the comments, what do you think, guys? Should I open this deck of cards, or should I leave it sealed in the plastic? And it has the seal sticker there. Open or seal? Let me know down in the comments below. Alright, guys? Also, like I said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to put the subscribe button right here. It's going to be a circle with a picture of me wearing a giant turban. Yeah, so click that to subscribe and hit that little bell notification. And then right here, I'm going to have another video for you to watch. Okay? It's going to be a video that YouTube decides based on your watch history of what you should watch. So that's going to be right here. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you guys in another video.